now. Okay. So the name of this little game right here is called Keep the Ball in Front of You. Okay? You're going to throw it straight across the person in front of you. Okay? So who are you going to throw it to? Stan. You're going to throw it to Stan. Okay, Alex, you have the ball. Alex, who are you going to throw it to? Ashton. Scoot over by your hat. Okay, there you go. Don't throw it too hard. What we're trying to do is make sure we're in control of the ball, right? Yeah, okay. Go ahead, throw it overhand. Overhand.
Ball.
Ball. Throw it overhand. There you go. All right.
Throw it, ball.
Alex.
Remember what I told you when you throw it? Aim for the nose. Throw it.
Glove down there. You can throw it overhand. Want to throw it overhand? There you go. There you go. Throw your hand back.
Throw it overhand. No roll.
Oh, perfect. You see that?